Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document digitally. Digital signatures are a modern, secure, and efficient way to approve documents, offering legal validity in many regions, including the United States and the European Union. We'll cover the essential steps to create and apply your signature, ensuring your documents are processed quickly and securely. This process can save you significant time and resources compared to traditional paper methods, making your workflow much smoother and more environmentally friendly. There are several effective ways to digitally sign your documents. You can utilize the built-in features of common PDF readers, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, for straightforward signing. For more robust needs, dedicated e-signature platforms like DocuSign or HelloSign provide advanced functionalities and enhanced security. Additionally, creating a digital ID or certificate offers the highest level of authentication and legal compliance, ensuring your signature is recognized and trusted across various platforms and jurisdictions. Signing a document digitally is a simple, multi-step process. First, open your document using a compatible software or an online platform. Next, locate the signing tool, which is often clearly labeled as Fill and Sign or simply Sign. You'll then have the option to draw your signature, type it out, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Finally, position and resize your signature accurately on the document, then save the file to complete the process, typically taking less than 1 minute. To ensure the security and validity of your digital signatures, always follow best practices. Verify the sender's identity and the document's authenticity before signing anything. Use strong, unique passwords for all your e-signature accounts to protect against unauthorized access. Keep your signing software updated to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Lastly, maintain a secure backup of all your signed documents for easy access and record keeping, ensuring compliance and peace of mind for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.